This is Loki, and he wants to play. But also, he's too lazy to move. So now it's just lazy mode activated. Look at him, just lying there, still trying to catch the wand. No jumping, no running, just pure effort from the floor. I mean, respect though. He's still trying his best. Every swing, he's like, yeah, I got this. Miss. Retry. Miss again. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy these moments, hit subscribe and help us get there. Honestly, this is me every day.